Let's have a road trip around Greece. Hey, kings and queens, what's up? I hope everyone is doing good. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time to come across this channel, hey, my name is Anna. Welcome to our kingdom. Kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out our new uploads. Well, in this video, I'm going to take you around with me in Greece just to enjoy the nature. One thing I love about Greece is that they have a lot of nature. The water, the mountain, oh my god. And one thing I love about this is that everywhere you go, there is something to look at. Everywhere you go. So on this early trip, we were going to Patra for some vacation with my family. It was on Easter holidays. But what I saw on our way to Patra, oh my God, I don't know what to say. It wasn't Patra. It was to Ioannina. Ioannina. I don't know. Is it in northern Greece or something like that? But whatever I saw on the way, it's so eye-catching. I don't know. Greece is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. The water bodies, the mountains, I don't know, the beach. Everything about it is so beautiful. So I was like, oh my god, let me pull out my camera and I show people what Greece has. So if you're looking out at coming in Greece, please come because you won't regret. Anyways, I don't want to speak a lot. Let me first leave you and you enjoy the view. guys, I just wanted to show you how beautiful the goose is, and don't forget to kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my new uploads every Friday and every Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching. I love you.